Pointed, Sam, but
Yep.
you must be very proud of what you've achieved over not just this campaign
Yep.
and the last few games, but also over the last couple of years.
Yeah, hugely proud of the boys. Like I said, we've been in campaigns where it's been over a few games ago, so for us to keep it going down to the wire and have a chance of qualifying for World Cup's massive. But huge disappointment in the end because, like I said, we got to France and we want that again. So we'll be coming back next time, ready to do it.
And just thoughts on the atmosphere tonight. I mean, that's got to be up there with anything you've experienced.
Oh, top class. Look, our fans are brilliant, and we experienced it all in France. We've seen it throughout the campaign, but tonight topped it. And I think you'll all agree that anthem was brilliant, and we're glad we didn't do it for them as well.
And just finally, obviously it hasn't ended up how you wanted, but what positives do you take from the campaign as a whole into the future?
Take huge positives that we're right in it at the end in a tough group. So for us, we'll be going into the next group for the Euros, ready to do it again, looking to qualify.